Assalamu alaikum, this is Asad Yaqub once again with you with another vlog, and this vlog is not about IELTS. This vlog is about something special, and Adin is going to tell you about that.
That thing is my father's birthday.
Oh yes, thank you very much. It's going to be my birthday, so I just came here. Thank you, thanks a lot. I just came here to buy my birthday present. So let's see. I was looking for some sort of pair of shoes. So let's go and see what do they have. Okay, Adin? And Muslim, want to say anything? He's always shy. Okay, so let's see. And this is basically Nike, Gulberg, Lahore. And those who are watching us from India, this is Pakistan and popular city Lahore. You can also see how Lahore is, right? Let's see you. Well, let's see. Adin is saying you should buy this one. Mustang, you pick up another one and tell me which one should I buy. Come on, come on. Well, I don't know. Sounds good. Okay. So Adin, you want me to buy this one?
This one.
This one. And well, you can see that. Please comment on this video which one should I buy, right? Or which one you think is going to suit me, right? Both are fine. This is okay.
This one.
Are you gonna pay for it? Your mother is gonna pay for it, okay? So this one looks nice. Yeah, Mustain? What do you say? Can you please come closer to this? Yes, this is fantastic one. So if you want me to buy this one, give a quick comment and then I'll decide what to do, right? Finally, I'm gonna do Nike, okay? And actually, I want to lose my weight as well. That's why I'm putting the camera here. You can't see me. So it is said lose weight, feel great, and I think Nike is going to help me lose my weight as well. Thank you, Adin. Thank you, Mustang. But actually, the real thank to your mom. Actually, she's camera shy. She doesn't want to come in front of the camera. But anyways, I'm thankful to you for buying me such a wonderful birthday present. So let's pay for it. So guys, finally I got my one-off birthday presents. One-off. Actually, he's gonna buy me a present, she's gonna buy me a present, and I'm gonna get a lot of other presents as well. So it's just the beginning, but it's a wonderful start. Assalamu alaikum once again. This is me, Asad Yaqub, with my kids and Mustain Asad. Actually, it's going to be my birthday on 10th of July and kids are giving me gifts. I'm such a lucky person. I just bought a pair of shoes from Nike and now I'm here at Levi's Mall of Lahore. This is Lahore, Pakistan. Those who are watching us from India, you can also see how Lahore is. So let's see, what are you gonna buy me?
I'm gonna buy you a shirt.
A shirt? No, but I'm looking for a pair of jeans. So what will you buy? A pair of jeans. Let's see. Okay, Levi's. Wonderful. That's amazing. Where are the jeans? Over there? Okay. Can we get some help? So you guys can see, what do you think about this? Go down there and give your comment. If you think I should buy this jeans, quickly give your comment. So Adin, are you gonna buy this to me?
No, this is a dark color. I like light colors.
I like it. I'm not gonna buy something which you like.
Yes, this one.
This is amazing. Fantastic. I like it. Okay, this is gonna cost you around $60 to $70. Okay, so Adine has saved a lot of money for my birthday and she's gonna give that to me. So guys, from Adine, I'm going to get this. Okay, Adine?
Yeah.
And Mustain? Nice choice. Thank you, Mustain. Come forward. Yeah. This is cool. I have no words to thank these guys. Thank you. Thank you for this great thing. This is lovely. So guys, actually we are going to make it live as well on 10th of July when I'll be celebrating my birthday. I'm not going to tell you the number of years I have lived, but still it's going to be amazing. So I'm going to buy this one and
Look at me. This one also.
who's going to pay for it?
You can pay it. You can gift yourself.
Look at them. I'm going to pay for my own birthday gifts. That's not good.
You can gift your soul.
Ah, so this time Asad Yaqub is going to gift Asad Yaqub. So Adine, hold your gift. One. Mustain, hold your gift. And this is from my side. So that's all guys, and this is not it. I'm gonna buy some more stuff as well. And Levi's is fantastic, yeah. I bought a couple of jeans from here and I was feeling so comfortable while wearing, so I thought I should buy. But now I've got 3 of them. I've got a fantastic collection of Levi's with Nike joggers. It's gonna be amazing. Thank you very much.